Hi DMsters! Share namin tong mga ganap sa aming 2-night staycation dito sa Excelsior Hotel in Las Piñas City. Before heading to the hotel, dumalaw muna kami sa lolo at lola. You can check the room tour in our previous video.
Hi! Hello! We are here at the Excelsior Hotel.
Excelsior!
What's our activity for today? Why are we here in the first place? What are we celebrating?
Mommy's birthday!
Mommy's birthday! Happy birthday!
And your birthday also, right? Ronaldo's birthday also.
But
And Kuya's. And your recognition day for doing the best in...
So there's two
Having
birthdays.
awards.
So there's two birthdays and the
Recognition day.
Yeah.
Correct.
I
Yes.
want to sleep.
You're sleepy?
I don't think I want to sleep.
Where's your bed?
Me
Where
too,
are you
I
gonna
want to sleep.
All of the kids go there and the parents go here.
Really?
Yeah.
The parentals?
Parental guidance.
Why? Where's the other bed? Show the other bed. Anaya, where's the other bed? So you will stay there. The kids are there.
Yeah.
And
Parkour.
and the parentals
Last one.
here.
Parentals here.
Sarap
Beside the window.
What are the stuffed animals that you brought with you?
No, and Cuckoo.
Snow and
QQ.
QQ.
This is mine. This is technically mine. But I made it.
Thank you.
Oh, I forgot the basket roll.
Oh, okay.
It's not a fun.
You brought cinema roll too. Are you the parentals?
Yes. There's a hair tie. I guess there's
That's why.
one here.
Parental mistake.
Maganda yung location ng hotel kasi pagbaba mo, maraming mga establishments and restaurants. Bumili na lang kami sa KFC ng bucket meal for our dinner.
Our dinner? KFC.
Where are you going to eat there?
How to tell which one is spicy?
Ito, yung nakakita, ayun, mas spicy.
Why do they look different?
Want to go there?
At dahil sa sobrang sarap ng tulog namin last night, dahil malamig at malambot yung kama, 10 AM na kami nagising kaya hindi na namin naabutan yung buffet breakfast. Babawi na lang kami tomorrow. Dumating na yung room service, so pinalinisan na rin namin ang room.
What's that?
Yes.
I got the spelling of the Excelsior Hotel was.
Ang galing nga ni Kuya eh. Pinapanood ko siya habang inaayos niya yung mga kama namin. Thank you Kuya and kudos sa lahat ng housekeeping. Don't forget to give tips to them, ha? And syempre, may pa-design sa birthday celebration ko.
Hey, Mommy! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mommy! Take a wish!
Jace.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Now can we eat the
Happy
cake?
birthday!
Happy birthday!
To mommy.
Have our pizza. Wow! That's the Mojos.
Bumili kami ng pizza, mojos, burgers, tuna pie at kwek-kwek. Let's eat! Nung hapon, bumaba na rin sila para mag-swimming. Shower muna bago lumusong sa pool.
With the deep. Yeah. Okay, I'm getting. Oh. I'm bringing my flowers. Okay, Mom. Or just put this at the table, please.
Our second night. Since napagod mag-swimming, tulog ng maaga para makapag-breakfast tomorrow. We also have a video for our buffet breakfast experience. Please check it out. Nag-swimming ulit ang DM kids after eating our breakfast. Sinilip din namin yung play area na under renovation and they are still completing it.
That's good. Those are the duck.
What? Mommy, I found the duplicate of mine. No, where's mine? Where's the crown? They removed the clipboard and then stuck it on.
Yung mga bibe. They can see the duplicate of their bibe. Let's go. Let's go. You say thank you to us. Banana. Ayan. Let's go. You say thank you.
Then nag-check out na ako kasi yung lobby nila nasa second floor, kaya sa ground floor na lang maghihintay ang mag-aama.
You want to take a picture there? I'll take a picture of you there. Come on.
Overall, we had a great experience here in Excelsior Hotel and babalik ulit kami. Then we had our lunch here at Peri Peri Evia.
For Mom's birthday.
And for your recognition day. Cheers.
Thank you sa pagsama sa aming staycation DMsters. Until our next vlog, thank you for watching. Bye!